Breathwork is a deep form of breathing, open mouth and a connected breath, meaning that there's no pauses after the exhale. You pull in, after the inhale, you exhale. It's kind of this push-pull rhythm, and it's a really powerful way to bring in a lot of energy, circulate that throughout the body, and stagnant, dense energy can begin to flow, and we can really connect with our simple, pure, creative, joyous inner nature on a very deep level. I was working as an engineer in Virginia, working full-time, and eventually I got a point where I realized I wasn't really following my heart, so I decided to take a leap of faith and traveled around Asia for about 9 months. During that time I was doing a lot of exploring the breath, being very drawn to breathing and realizing how fundamental the breath is to my vitality, my calmness, my joy, so essential to my inner nature, and I was so drawn to learn more and discover more and share it. They're similar in nature. The breathwork workshop could be between 5 to 15, even maybe 20 people, and there's a group energy, there's kind of a camaraderie in a way, everyone's breathing together. I play music which really drives the whole group, it keeps them going, so it can be more of an energetic space, and everyone can hear other people breathing and feel motivated to continue breathing deeply. So there's a different quality where one-on-one might feel a bit more intimate. Some people who might not feel super comfortable in a group space, trusting and really opening up, I find one-on-one there's more intimacy for them to be totally at ease, and then I can also provide them complete private attention. You'd be laying down and you're breathing fully. It's definitely more of a exaggerated breath. You're bringing the breath up, you're expanding the chest area, and you're breathing for about 45 minutes to an hour. It's like a long time, and you're breathing fully, deeply, and ideally you're conscious, and that's a very critical element, because when we're breathing fully and we're with our breath, then we can totally embrace whatever it is that may arise for our unique experience. I think it's crucial to feel safe. So the workshops, the one-on-one work, I really strive to create a very safe container where people can trust completely. So that's very important. Having someone there to support you, because many painful things can come up, anything can come up really, but knowing there's another being there who's totally present with you, there to hold your hand or support you however they can, is really comforting and can really help people along their journey and clear these negative, dense energy. I think the only recommendations are wear loose clothing and don't eat a few hours before, because you want to come in feeling light, you want to breathe fully, you don't want to be obstructed by food. But the workshops typically have been about 2 to 2.5 hours. The group will come together, we'll do a group introduction, maybe meditation, grounding down. I'll explain the breath, we'll transition into the actual breath work. Everyone will be lying down. I play music which has a very powerful energetic quality to it, which really will keep driving the group. So the actual breath work will be about 45 minutes to an hour, then maybe 15-20 minutes to be with stillness, integrate and then time at the end to share. We'll do group sharings. The breath is so empowering. Absolutely. People breathe, they clear, they realize it is truly within them. And by breathing deeply and removing these negative subconscious beliefs we've created, our conscious reality reflects these changes. And people look at life completely different. Sometimes people have one breathwork session and then they see the world completely changed. And every experience is different. There's always more clearing, but it is incredibly empowering.